Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious shrimp mashed potatoes. First, let's gather our ingredients. You will need about 1 pound of fresh, raw shrimp, 2 pounds of starchy potatoes, and dairy items such as unsalted butter and whole milk or heavy cream. Don't forget your aromatics like garlic and onions, plus fresh herbs for a vibrant finish. Having everything prepped makes the cooking process smooth and enjoyable. Now let's prepare our potatoes. Start by peeling about 2 pounds of your chosen starchy potatoes like russets or Yukon Golds. Cut them into roughly 1-inch pieces to ensure even cooking. Place them in a large pot, cover with cold, salted water and bring to a boil. Cook until they are fork tender, which usually takes about 15 to 20 minutes. Drain them completely to avoid watery mashed potatoes. Next, we'll cook the star of our dish, the shrimp. In a large skillet, melt 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter over medium heat. Add 1 pound of peeled and deveined shrimp and cook for just 2 to 3 minutes per side until they turn pink and opaque. Remove the shrimp, then add 1 minced garlic clove and 1 small chopped onion to the same pan. Sauté until softened, about 3 to 4 minutes, then deglaze with a 1/4 cup of white wine or chicken broth. Finally, let's bring it all together. Return the drained potatoes to the pot. Add 4 tablespoons of unsalted butter, a 1/2 cup of warm whole milk or cream, and season with salt and freshly ground black pepper. Mash until smooth and creamy. Gently fold in your cooked shrimp and the sautéed aromatics. Serve immediately, garnished with a sprinkle of fresh chopped chives or parsley for a beautiful and flavorful finish. Enjoy this comforting dish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.